Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about something we all have on our minds, making more money. Let's dive into some simple yet effective ways you can start boosting your income today. So, if you're ready to change your financial game, keep watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. First things first, let's talk about side hustles. Side hustles are a fantastic way to earn extra cash outside of your main job. Think about what you're passionate about. Do you love crafting? Consider selling your creations online. Are you a wizard with words? Freelance writing could be your golden ticket. The key here is to tap into what you love doing and then monetize it. Next up, investing. Now, I know this might sound a bit daunting if you're just starting out, but hear me out. With apps and platforms that simplify investing, getting started is easier than ever. Start small with a little money and invest in companies or funds that interest you. Remember, the goal here is not to become a millionaire overnight, but to grow your money steadily over time. And let's not forget about upskilling. In today's world, learning never stops. There are countless online courses available that can help you gain new skills or improve existing ones. Whether it's coding, digital marketing, or even public speaking, enhancing your skills can lead to better job opportunities and subsequently higher income. Lastly, always keep an eye out for savings. It might not seem like a direct way to make money, but saving effectively increases your financial stability. Cut down on unnecessary expenses and shop smarter. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Remember, making more money starts with the right mindset and a bit of effort. Explore these avenues and see which ones work best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time with more tips and tricks.